Why are so many people building their personal brands? The answer is quite simple. It's the future of business. The times of super polished content is over because people are craving more and more authentic content. Because listen, think about it. Even Elon Musk and even Warren Buffett are building their personal brands. Why do you think that is? When they already made a lot of money to even retire a lot of people. So why? I don't personally know, but if they are doing it, I'm doing it too. And then why should that be important to you in any way? Because even if you do a light version of personal branding, there is a way for you to make money on it. And no, you don't have to become a star or have millions of followers. In fact, some of my students with less than 100 followers already made money on Instagram. And even if they spend an hour a day just shooting simple videos. So what do you think? Do you want to model success? Do you want to have an income stream that could perhaps replace the 9-to-5 income that you already have? Even learn a skill that you can teach your kids so they don't have to struggle as you are doing right now? If the answer is yes, then click the link in my bio and I will give you a 14-minute video that shows you how. Let's get it.